Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of Netflix on a smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When on the home screen of Netflix, use your remote's arrows to navigate to the left to open the sidebar menu. Scroll down the menu and tap Get Help at the bottom. Scroll down the Get Help menu and tap on Sign Out at the bottom. Tap Yes on the pop-up. Your Netflix account will then be signed out on that TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.